Hello everyone and welcome to my channel where I take you through my diecast collection. Today we have with us the Aston Martin DB5 which was featured in the movie Thunderball. Again, this is a James Bond movie just like the one we seen yesterday. This is also produced by Mini GT and it has a really beautiful card art from the movie itself. Now, this is a licensed product. It is licensed by Aston Martin and also by James Bond movies. So this is a licensed product. I've got mine from Cars and Dolls, if you could see here. Now, looking at this packaging, it comes in a blister form, and this is one of the first blisters that I bought for myself back in 2024. This is a really beautiful casting, and let me just go ahead and quickly open this and show you how the car looks like. I have gone ahead and uncarded this car, and as you can see, here is the poster from the movie. It is a part of the card art and it looks really very nice. Here is the box that you can store the car in, and here is the beautiful Aston Martin DB5. Now, when it comes to this car, it has a 4-liter inline 6 engine, and it came with a 5-speed manual and a 3-speed automatic gearbox. Let's take a closer look at a few details on this car. Firstly, if you see, it has this beautiful bumper and the front grille, which is in chrome. It has those acrylic inserts for the headlights. Again, chrome rims, both at the front and the back. Now, if you see here, there is an issue with the model that I purchased. It had a defect and I had to stick this part actually, which is why it is less shinier than the front wheel. But overall, when you look at 164 scales, these minor defects would appear, as this is a very, very small car and it is fragile. Now, when it comes to premium models, a lot of details are involved, especially when it comes to this front mirrors. Even they are done pretty well detailed. If you see the number plate, this is the same as that you can see on the car in the movie. It is a very beautiful piece. Look at the tail lights, which is painted again. Again, you will be able to see the chrome details on the back bumper. All of the details are very beautiful. Look at the paint, how clear it is, and it looks like as if it is a real car and not a scale model. Now, when it comes to the cheap cars, they don't have a lot of details, especially when it comes to Hot Wheels. But here, if you see, as this is produced by Mini GT, it has the Aston Martin logo right here in front, which is very well detailed. Look at those wipers. Now, when it comes to wipers, usually Hot Wheels just has it with the plastic, but here it is painted in silver, which gives it a good look. The glass has a clear acrylic, so you can see the interior details as well, unlike Hot Wheels, wherein it is not clearly visible. Now, I do understand that Mini GT did not have a lot of details before. That is why this car lacks the the tan interior details that you would see on the original car. But nonetheless, in a 164 scale model, this is a really good casting. If you see, you have the back details as well, which is very beautifully done. Now, coming to the down section, over here as well, you have a metal body and a metal base. So the car is durable. It feels very heavy in the hand, and it has those metal tailpipes as well, which give it a very unique detail. Now, this is a really beautiful casting from Mini GT, and this is clearly one of my favorites when it comes to the Aston Martin lineup that I have in my collection. Again, this is from the James Bond movie, that is Thunderball, as you can see here. Let's take a closer look at this car in a few pictures. If you like content like this, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel so that you can get notified on all the latest uploads.